Look at this little area. It's like summertime, dude.
Oh, oh.
Dude, that was a shack. Good morning, Nub Nation. Here we are. A rainy day in New Jersey, but along with that rainy day comes potentially some big ones. Come here, bud. Good. Okay, good. Other leg. Other leg. There you go. Good boy. Alright, let's go. It's crazy. On a day like this, it's like really easy to think a lot. I've been doing some reflecting, like picking up the camera and starting to vlog. I started thinking about, I used to do this every single day of my life. I would pick up a camera and I would just go. And obviously my life's a lot different now, and I have a lot of other things I have to focus on. And I'm not able to vlog every day, even though vlogging is still my favorite thing to do. And it doesn't even have to be surfing. Like I love filming. I love it. And I love editing and putting the story together and making it something cohesive and fun for everyone to watch. That's what I love to do. It's interesting because I've grown up a lot in the last 8 years, but when you're in the moment, you think that you're pretty grown up. Like I always kind of struggled with like giving myself credit, but still like subconsciously and like deep down inside, I'm like, all right, yeah, like this is what it feels like to be grown up. But in reality, I guess you never really know what it feels like to be grown up. Even at 34 years old, I don't think I know what it feels like to be grown up because I grow every day. I grow so much every year. I look back and I'm like, oh my gosh, I looked at things differently than I do now. And I think that's a healthy thing. That's a good thing. If you're not growing, what's the point of all this? Look at this guy on the rocks. Come on, Dennis, let's go. What are you doing? What are you eating? What are you eating? Dude, he's just eating bushes. Stop eating random stuff, dude. But a good thing that comes with age too is like confidence. And life is a beautiful thing. It's very beautiful. And growing up and growing older is very beautiful. And this guy taught me a lot of lessons. I'll tell you that. This guy's amazing. Look at him. Dennis, checking it out. He wants to look out the window so bad, but he doesn't realize he's gonna get water on his eyes. But yeah, here we are. 8 years later, going to check Skeleton Bay.
Dude, I'm such an idiot for bringing a long arm short and it's freezing out.
Really? I'm going 3-2.
I mean, I wish I had my 3-2, but I was fine once I was out there.
What's the claim? How's the surf?
I don't know. I mean, it's firing.
All right, well, we'll be there in 10 minutes. Wait, are you parked just on the avenue?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. See you there. There we go. All right, here we go. The wind is howling. This guy been in his wetsuit for a couple hours. What's going on out there? He doesn't know yet. All right, Hurricane Bert. What is it? Brett with 1 T, because that makes sense. What are you gonna show us today? Dude, should I splice in some of your Nicaragua clips?
Yeah.
Right now?
I won't get clips like that till next year when I go back.
Dude, it's barreling. Mackie, I was thinking you could just come down so you're blocked from the clip, the rain and dude, it's firing. I'm gonna walk down with you because I'm gonna give you this camera. It's completely going off. Dude, it's head to toe.
It's looking like those times when we first found the wave.
Yeah. All right, look at this little area. It's like summertime, dude.
Oh, oh.
Dude, that was a shack. Mackie.
Hey.
It's not Hurricane Brett, but we're gonna claim it is in the title. See you out there. Yo.
Ooh, insider. Oh yeah. There it is. noticed that. I have no idea why they don't do it. Yeah, it is.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah. That was a sick one.
Not even a claimant?
Oh, it's a 31. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Oh. I don't know what everyone's freaking out about with the new water park, because wave pool's back there. Right?
Facts, yeah.
Dude, going off out there. I haven't had a really fun surf session in so long.
You enjoyed that one?
Yeah, it was fun, dude. I mean, I wasn't like ripping, but it was a good time. Plus, we're about to just walk right into this water park right here. Right?
It's legendary, actually. It's soft opening.
And if the slides aren't open,
What? Ah, well then we just flow right here, I guess.
Nah, we're out of here. Dude, what is my life?
Claim is this is like just turn the camera real quick. This is one of the weirdest events I've ever been to in my life.
Yeah, buddy. Gotta get ready. What do you think? Red Bull Foam Wreckers, Margate City, New Jersey, 2023, baby. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Very good.
I'm helping run the surf contest. They told me I'd have a spot right up front here. What do you call this event? Foam Wreckers Margate? Yep.
So excited.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
I'm happy to hear that.
So thank you, and thank you for coming down yesterday and like.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah, I love it. I'll stop by later.
Thank you. We're
If you
stoked.
guys need anything, yell, okay?
Appreciate it. Fog Wreckers, dude. How many people do you think we're gonna have?
It looks like one something.
For real?
Yeah.
If you're here early, that means you know you're in the first heat.
Dude, how are you?
What's up, huh?
Dude, look at these two. What are you guys doing?
Having a little sleepover, dude.
How was it last night?
It was fun.
You go fishing or no? Not even stoked. He showed up.
2023 Red Bull Cat Surf Foam Wreckers, Margate City, New Jersey.
Wheel music.
Silver from UK, but then Winter Heat. Magic.
Bright yellow.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, that is the beginning of. There's rumors coming in he might have injured his back in Rockaway. Start thinking about. Yeah, brother. Woo!
and Dominic. How are you today?
Well, you have to stretch when you're our age or you'll throw your back out.
I got that dad back.
I don't know how we can do like one of those things in your footage, but like those clips that I got are gold. I don't want anybody thinking that he was filming those.
Oh, that's gonna be on my gram, giving you full credit, dude.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my mom.
What do I do?
Spin it. Yeah.
What is it? So I can pick whatever I
You've
want?
never won an ECS. He's got the bracelet since last year's phone record still on his wrist. What's the claims today, boys?
It's gonna go down. It's going down.
Is it going down?
Yeah.
Heard it's going down.
Stoke and Pai Kai.
Boys are in Pai Kai. The claim is Pai Kai.
Word on the street is you might have made it to the semifinals.
That's a lie.
Double gravy boards or no?
Yes, sir, boy.
No way. Better than the rest, right?
Gravy's the man.
I didn't know he was in the heat. He's dizzy. I don't know when he's on the board. Another spin. Oh, he got the line. The power. Is he going to pull the sword out of the sheath? He almost did it, dude! Oh my God.
We're the boys, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
We're in town. Tried out the outside. The outside was a little mushy, not too much hopping around, so caught a couple in the inside.
I'm working over here on Mackey's camera. Look what he's doing. You're on the job drinking water.
I knew you'd be all over that.
Yeah! Why are you in the final then?
No, I don't care what board I get.
You don't care about the event?
No, I care about the event. I don't care what.
All right, he cares about the event, ladies and gentlemen. First beater of the final. Dude, these guys are ex-pro surfers right here. They don't know what's going down, dude. What's crazy is I think these guys are actually taking it seriously. Like Sean T and I and Bobby, dead seriously trying to.
Sean's got blood in his eyes because he gave the competition last year to Nick Johansson.
good. This guy's good at math. Really good at math.
And Red Bull for putting this thing on. These guys.
Yeah,
boys! Woo! First place with 2 9s with Sean Taylor.
Cheesesteak egg roll. I want to bite.
Dude? This is new. This is new to the channel.
Stop. So is it Pat's or Gino's or somewhere else?
It's
Vaporinoing and
That looks good.
slow the roll.
Bang. All right, what's up, Nub Nation? Here we are in the Dream Shed. It's been a heavy couple weeks, tons of East Coast events, but we got it done. June was gnarly, and we finally have some time to surf. Got a little bit of a storm brewing on the East Coast. I think we got Hurricane Brett, or Tropical Storm Brett, and Tropical Storm Cindy coming up the East Coast. Not exactly sure what they're going to do, but they're claiming El Nino this year, so like the waves are supposed to be pumping pretty much all summer long. We'll see what happens with that. Apparently the Atlantic Basin is really, really warm. But I'm in the shed right now because I got a couple new boards in here. Blair Conklin's going to be spending the week here, so we are thinking about going surfing today. We got some onshore conditions. The waves aren't that great, but kind of just want to wash off from the weekend, get a little session in, and then hopefully the waves start building tomorrow, and then we have a couple days of solid, clean surf coming up. So hopefully this forecast stays together. But just want to say a massive shout out to Catch Surf and Red Bull for bringing the event to Margate, New Jersey. It's a total honor, and I just want to say that we got 4 more Red Bull foam wreckers coming up this summer. We got San Clemente, California, Jacksonville, Florida, Honolulu, Hawaii, Cocoa Beach, Florida. So if you want to check out Red Bull Foam Wreckers, it is literally the funnest surf contest that you could possibly do. So if you want to sign up, just Google Red Bull Foam Wreckers and you'll find the website. It's on redbull.com somewhere. Yeah, we're dreaming. Got some new bandits here. And I don't know. The waves were kind of like decent yesterday. So we are thinking that we might even be able to shortboard, but the wind is pretty gnarly right now. So might be all about tomorrow. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your summer. We got some waves coming, so stoke is on. Any boy. Look at this. We got a visitor. Expectations today, Blair Conklin.
It's gonna be dream wedgers out there, I think.
Dream wedgers? All right.
I think we're gonna maybe get some head dips.
Like, you know, fuck, that lady loves us.
Thing that tells you the rules about paddling around people and snaking people.
That's a rule here? They have a rule book?
Yeah, they have the thing right there. It's on the side of the road.
No way.
It teaches you etiquette in the lineup, Blair.
They teach you how to snake bend.
I've never been dropped in on board.
It does say surfing the jetty.
I'm telling you, dude.
Hey, how was that slammo, or not slammo drop in? The foam wreckers, dude, you're kind of out to kill me, bro.
I was pissed at you, dude.
I could tell.
Alright, claim is we got Blair in town trying to make the best of a windy situation. Wish me luck.